Welcome to Seodity's Organic Traffic module. This powerful tool allows you to analyze and optimize your website's search engine performance to increase your organic traffic. Here you can track the number of visitors your website is getting from organic search, understand how much traffic is coming from specific keywords and countries, and identify opportunities for improving your website's search engine performance. Seodity will analyze the organic traffic that your website is receiving and extract information about the volume traffic, CPC, keyword difficulty, the keywords used to find your website, and the countries they are coming from. Use the data to identify opportunities for improving your website search engine performance, such as optimizing your content for specific keywords or targeting specific countries. To do that, you can select the preset here and find the keywords with great potential. And Seodity will filter those keywords. And you can find the filter here. You can also change the filters by clicking the advanced filter icon. And you can customize this for you. And save as preset or apply here. And you can of course check any domain here and use the organic traffic module to analyze your competitors. And those filters will be applied to this domain or any domain you will type here. You can change the country if you want to analyze specific country. You can change it here. For example, we can search for low keyword difficulty keywords. You can also filter those keywords by finding the long tail keywords using word scan. So we can do that here. And now you can see the long tail keywords. You can also add those keywords to the rank tracker, and you can monitor their performance and see how your website ranking is affected over time. To do that, just select those keywords and click Add to the rank tracker. Add keywords. And that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.